Guysini, I think I cracked the code. Like, for the longest time, I thought my microphones are faulty. Turns out they just ran out of battery and I had to just charge them. And I didn't know by that charge. I know I look shabby because Angahlambi, because we don't have water. So let us start a new vlog. Hi, welcome back to Evolving with Miza. I am Umiza and welcome back to my channel. Um yeah, so today is the 29th of August and we have a Women's Day celebration at my workplace. So yeah, I'm going there. But sibuke singena amanzi so kufanele bengiketile fayikome mhlambi. Don't know what I'm wearing. I thought I was gonna do my hair, my nails, whatsoever, but those things did not happen. I was supposed to go wash my hair yesterday, but they don't mind, so I'll do it some other time. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys. Decided on an outfit. Also, I need to do an unboxing because I have the heels that I bought on the last vlog. I just never, like, you only guys last saw them as Zahara, but I did not unbox them when I was home. So I'll just unbox them when I'm gonna wear them, and then yeah. Bye. Enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So bye. These are my new shoes. I'm late, but this is my outfit of the day. Nothing new. Same old. Just paired with the heels. Bye. I'm late. Uber is outside. Guys, I'm not even carrying a jacket. Oh, as I'm jacket, yes, son. Let me tell you. It chronicles of a moto. So we also forgot our access cards because most of the so we had to come to the office because we were waiting for our lift, and then we had no access cards. So we had to ask them to let us in. Singabo sana mama kwai kwai. Actually sitting at the sitting area waiting. Was oh shit! Only in Joburg you can see this. We are speed.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Cause what is this? Mining.
Take the next right, then turn right.
But I think about aviation, but wisdom of so you can dance. Babula Mubali, Abdala Wezito.
You empower a nation. When women are empowered, in many instances,
What's the what? Guys, we were asked to write our names with our left hands. I did a better job. Dimpo. Oh my goodness. Can I see yours, Sharon? At least go to As I came back from work, there's a umpogo because I like Amasi number one, and I'm not willing to cook his means, so Amasi for today, so I don't know. Just got done. A week off. Okay, there's my hands. MPL, But this is the MPL that I use. Yeah.
Something that is never changed. More than we've issues, darling, I do miss you. My love to be more than friends. Now I know I may be dreaming, our love that you're leaving, and everyone around could see. So let me make this public. It's you that I'm in love with, darling. This will always be so. Can I be a fairy tale? I'm the soul of the world. Be a fairy tale. I'm the soul of the world. Be a fairy tale. Be a fairy tale. I'm the soul of the world. I'm the soul of the world. Be a fairy tale. Fairy tale. I'm the soul of the world.
We are done. OOTDs. Let's go.
When the morning sun streaks across my room, and I'm waiting with my
Now the light has left the dark, I feel when I reach for him and he's not here. Many times have come when he is gone, yet I find the strength to carry on. But then I turn around and
I'm gonna try out London berry boba. I don't know. I'm not even sure about the flavors, but okay, let's give it a try. You can see. The angle is quite awkward because and the kitanga try quad. But yeah, my friends. It's like this sound. Nice. Umsebenzi uzosibulala one of these days. I am knocking off work. I need to pass by Telkom because Telkom akayithathanga imali yakhe nge-month end, so I want to pay it because ngizoyitya mna. Okay. My sister likes bananas, so we ran out. I didn't get Land. We ran out, so had to top up this. I have 11, so I got all of this for 95 rands. I have 11 hate with fresh Tuesdays on Uber Eats because ezinye zinabakuthathela zona. I want to one, so this is kale, there's celery, cucumber and lemons. That is izudlala. But I just want to juice and yeah, I am juice. This is how much it was supposed to be if there wasn't the fresh Tuesday deals, but I paid 95 rands. 94. Spend a random day with me. This is what I'm wearing. I'm going to work. Okay, out of office actually, because I'm going to Centurion at the South African Civil Aviation Authority for a meeting. So yeah.
Everything is changed. He will reach for me and lay his hands upon my face. But when I feel it,
Guys, I had the worst day ever today. I went to a meeting I wasn't really supposed to attend, and the meeting was in Centurion at the Civil Aviation Authority. Guys, imali yaphana still stresses me, but what can I do? However, when I got to CAA, I realized that I left my handbag in the Uber and I had to deal with that. And xa return into yakho batsala 19 rand kwa Uber. So yeah, then I came back. I've been doing some work. And yeah, I don't know how long this vlog is. I might as well close it. If I don't close it, it's still fine. But yeah, I think I'm gonna close it now because yeah.
it's touched, my love will overflow. It's real to me. Now I know.
Let's go for a walk. For a walk. Beverage of choice. I have my water here. And guys, take a wild kiss because go Ritabile. Ritabile, you haven't said hi to my vlog in a long time.
Hi, meet us people.
Hi, but why you say hi over flat hell?
Ayisho ithi ngiyenze la. Sanibona. Iyenza so.
Do. Guys, I recorded an unboxing. Kanti I record kwayon. But yeah. Oh my goodness. Wait. This is Lent chocolate. Guys, can I tell you something? Guys, this girl bought this hair from the sale. as yours. What is it? It looks like one. Oh my goodness. Guys, this girl. Guys, I need to call her because are you crazy? Like, are you literal crazy? Oh. This is too much. Giloko mkhuzeki. Oh, she's so nonchalant. She could have written something very sweet. Oh, love this girl so much. Isn't it crusty? I'm working from home and but I have a delivery. I don't even know what it is. But I know but it's kwakbani, but also I don't know what was the reason. I don't even know what's in here, but the sola. Actually very hungry. I'm trying to unbox this thing. A gift for me. Nothing is written in here. I do know there must be something here. Let me just check inside. I hope this Skull Candy in earbuds bring you awesome tunes and good vibes from it. Oh, ooh, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my word. Oh. Guys, these are from a friend from work. When we were in George, I liked his in fact I had left my AirPods, so he borrowed me his, and then like the battery life was great, like a lot of things, like I liked a lot of things about them. So did he not get me these? Wow.
I got too many hoes. I can't hang you. Like to put that shit in your door.